I'm going to do descriptive statistics on the heart rate data so I can prepare the data for drawing up a histogram. So I'm going to go to Data, Data Analysis, Descriptive Statistics, and then I'm going to choose the set of data. I've got labels in the first row. I'm going to shove it into a new worksheet ply this time, and I want summary statistics. So I click on OK, and there is my data. You can see here that I was able to choose a number of columns of data and get descriptive statistics on them, but it's actually replicating time and time again mean, 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 and so on. So I want to get rid of these, and the simplest way of doing it is to click in this cell here for age, right mouse click, insert, shift cells right, and now you can see that the column label lines up over the column, and I can get rid of these. So I'm holding down the control key to select more than one column. Then I'll move my cursor over one of them and delete. And there's my data. I'm going to put in a title parameter in the first column. Click above the 1 to the left of A to select the whole worksheet. Move the cursor between A and B and then double click. It will automatically resize all the columns to fit the data. Okay, so this is a nice way of actually presenting your data. The next thing we want to have a look at is skew and kurtosis. Is the skew and kurtosis between +1 and -1 for each of the columns? Well, it's not. For age, there's something weird happening with the females. So I'll go to Home, I'll just embolden that. Height looks okay. Weight, possibly not. Resting heart rate, possibly not. So skew and kurtosis outside of +1 to -1 is an indication that the data is not normally distributed. And it's not normally distributed usually because there are either secondary peaks or you have outliers. Each of these will tend to have effects on skew and kurtosis. So in order to pick this up, I'm going to want to draw up a histogram. And to draw up a histogram, I need to know how many intervals are you going to include in a histogram. To do that, we use Sturgis's rules, which I'll explain in the next video.